Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect your Bose AE2 sound link with iPhone. And to do this there's a few ways, but we're sticking with a wireless one. You can do it also by plugging in a jack plug to your iPhone, but let's go for the wireless version. There's no option to connect it with the app for Bose Music, and so let's start with normal Bluetooth. And here, open Bluetooth on your phone, then power on the headphones, enter pairing mode by pulling the button into the Bluetooth till you hear the sound notification. At the moment the headphones are showed up in our other devices. We can click on them and they should be connected. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.